Hello, Midland, Texas. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America. Um, I've got some customers that I do supplements for in Midland and Odessa and all those areas. And I am trying to get them more customers. Here's the thing. Y'all get hit. Y'all get hit with bad hail, bad wind, all these giant storms that come through your area. And y'all hate when people knock on your door. So you go to the internet and you see me, right? What I'm doing is I'm getting you set up with some of my reputable customers, and we're going to go through the process together. So I'm going to give them your phone number, and then they're going to come out and they're going to give you a free checkup on your roof. We're looking for wind and hail damage. If you've got enough damage, we'll take you through the full process to get you a new roof through your insurance company. Super simple process. If there's not enough damage, we'll wait. If 9 months later, 18 months later, there are a couple more storms come through, we'll call you and we'll set you up with another complimentary roof checkup. Just like a dentist. You need a checkup with your teeth, you need a checkup with your roof, especially when you're living where you live. So go ahead, click the link in the description, watch that video, fill out that form, and the next thing you know, you'll be getting a call from one of my guys, and we will come out, check your roof, and take you through the full process. Thank you so much for checking me out. You have a great day.